Unidentified aircraft, sir.
Americans? What are they doing in the film?
Have you spotted anything on your radar screen?
No, sir. It must be coated with anti-electric wave paint, sir.
Cut, let's do that again.
Operator, hand me the mic.
Yes, sir.
It's Curly Joe as the general.
Calling all planes, fighter planes, based in the Arctic Ocean. This is your commander calling. Over.
This is the strategic fighter. Over.
There is an unidentified aircraft.
He sounds like Buddy Hackett.
84.27
Look, he's got
degrees
Frankenberry
north
hands.
latitude.
Frankenberry.
And 176.58 degrees east longitude.
General, you're drunk, aren't you?
And escort it to the base. If it resists, shoot it down.
Roger.
Captain, will they attack us?
I doubt it.
They're models.
Ground control to Major Wong. Tally ho, you little vixens.
Answer. What is your nationality and flight purpose?
Phrase it in the form of a question.
If you don't answer, we will take you to the American Air Base.
He asked me.
Break off. Give chase.
He gives good chase.
Answer immediately. What is your nationality and flight purpose?
Are you known for your work in the theater?
You lost your muffler.
Plane. Clear for action. Fire!
Just a couple missiles, that's it. And that's just a warning.
Break 9, we got Miss O'Leary's cow coming on the runway 3.
Ooh.
Pretty.
Ground show.
It looks like that airplane carried atomic weapons.
Yeah.
Which
I
means
think
we're
you're
all
right.
dead.
Did you see the force of that explosion as it hit the ground? What a great story.
Mercy, how?
Be careful, though. Don't go into that area. There's radiation there.
And as everybody knows, it can only affect you if you touch it.
Oh! Jeez, I hate the sound of squeaky styrofoam.
Yeah, when you slice it with a bread knife, it's...
Oh.
And so, in fear and hot water, the first Slurpee is born.
Somebody's got a Toro snowblower down there. Check it out.
That's neat.
Good morning.
Oh, wow. Now, why can't I have a cute shape like that?
Keep working on it.
All right, quit throwing stuff at me. That's good. That's enough. Thank you. I'm here all week. Thank you. Enjoy the...